Hello, I'm Beverly from the Midland Public Library, Program Assistant. Today we're talking about playing in the rain. It's time to unplug and play in the rain. There's plenty of proven benefits of outdoor play for children. Did you know, however, that there is also lots of benefit to allow children to continue playing outdoors even if it begins to rain? As long as a child is wearing appropriate clothing that keeps them warm and dry, they can fully reap the benefits of playing and exploring the outdoors in the rain. Make sure there's no thunder or lightning. So grab your wellies, raincoat, and umbrellas and get ready for play. Allowing children to play outside in the rain promotes a healthy lifestyle, as they are taught from a young age that participating in daily exercise should be prevented by weather. It has been proven that children who learn to lead a healthy lifestyle at a young age will carry this habit on throughout adulthood, shaping healthier and happier adults in the future. When children are accustomed to exercising daily and playing outside in the rain, they can fully reap the health and educational benefits that come with outdoor play and learning. While exploring the great outdoors during rainfall, children are given new experiences of water after seeing water coming from taps and water fountains. Children can learn about nature in a more in-depth way as they question and explore specific concepts such as water cycle, clouds, and weather through play, learning where the water comes from and why it rains. Playing in the rain provides a fantastic sensory experience to children with different sounds, sights, smells, and touches. The rain can truly enhance children's sensory experience. There is so much fun to be had while playing in the rain, from jumping in muddy puddles, investigating the little creatures that come out and make an appearance, all the pretend games. What's not to love? And it brings so many benefits along with it too. So it's time to unplug and play in the rain. I hope you've enjoyed this episode of Unplugged.